Alright, we're back. We got the light. Let's see if we can get it in there. $9,006. It's got the right keyways in it. Don't know what that shit. Let's see. Put this first. That's in there. Let's see if we can hook it up. Probably should have put the plug on first, but I'm trying to do it. Well, I got the light in there. Just can't get the plug. You know what? Let's take it back out. I seen something. Let's try to get it back. Yes, I'm gonna have to put the plug on first. It's gonna make it a lot harder. Alright, we got her in there. It's stuck. Let's see if she's gonna work. I finally figured out how to turn the lights on. Looks like we got her. Let's go flip the right light switch on. Looks like they're all working. Now we got to put the put the old thing back together. See the old Chevy in the background there. We'll work on that some too here later. We gotta run them. Just tweaking her. Alright, let's put a breather back on. Or air filter better. Actually, almost forgot. Don't forget to put your cover back on. This might be one of those things where you say, you know what, I don't know if I need that on there or not. All right, we got her on there. You got two little slots down here. You got to slide that in, and then set it down on top. Get your Phillips head or flat head, and just sink your on down. It wasn't that bad. Just they gave me the wrong part the first time. And that's that. We'll just put it back together and got the headlight in it. And we're done. That's all we're going to do. They got to go wash it today. If it gets a little warmer, we're going to go wash it. And maybe today I may put some plugs and some pulls on this thing here. I'm going to tune it up. Depending on how the weather is today, and then we'll go over here and take a look at the Chevrolet. Show you where I'm at with it. I've just not really messed with it much because of the weather, and it don't hurt me sitting here. I like this little truck. So I've wired up the alternator and put it on. And we're just getting there slowly but surely. But thanks for coming out and watching. Painting stuff and fixing stuff. Just stay tuned. Share the channel and subscribe. And we'll put some more stuff out there for you. Thanks. Everybody have a good day.